Hello, and welcome to the Honeywell MAXPRO Cloud How-To video series. In this video, we're going to cover how to enroll a Vista panel via an IPCOMM on a site in MAXPRO Cloud. To add a new Vista controller, first go to mymaxprocloud.com and log into your MAXPRO Cloud account. Once logged in, from the dashboard, select the menu icon in the upper left corner of the page and then select Customers. Once this page loads, it will show a list of all existing customers down the left side. If there are none, then this will be empty and a customer must be added first. Select the desired customer on the left and then select the site from the list to which the Vista controller will be added. This will open the Site Overview page for that site. On the left, select the Controllers tab and then select the Add a Controller button in the middle of the page. An Add Controller window will then appear. From the drop-down, select the appropriate controller type, in this case the specific Vista panel. Upon selection, additional fields will appear. Enter the MAC ID of the IPCOMM module, a 4-digit master code that exists in the control panel, a name for the controller, and select the appropriate time zone. It is recommended that the master code which is entered here is not a code that is used by any other users in the panel. This is the code which will be used by MAXPRO Cloud to arm and disarm the system, and giving MAXPRO Cloud a unique code to use will help with event logging and auditing. If the system has multiple partitions, ensure that the code has master authority in all partitions that you wish to control from MAXPRO Cloud. Select the Add Controller button and the controller will now appear on the List of Controllers tab. MAXPRO Cloud will then automatically attempt to register the panel. If the time and date is correct on the Vista panel and the IPCOMM has power and a network connection with internet access, the IPCOMM should register with MAXPRO Cloud successfully and automatically sync the panel configuration with MAXPRO Cloud. This will include partitions, zones, and alpha descriptors, and this information will populate under the Areas tab on the site. You may edit the area name as well as zone names here. However, these names only exist in MAXPRO Cloud and are not pushed into the Vista panel. This concludes the steps to add an IPCOMM and Vista panel to a site in MAXPRO Cloud. Remember that the MAXPRO Cloud Web Help Configuration Guide provides a wealth of information and additional step-by-step instructions. It can easily be accessed from any page in MAXPRO Cloud by selecting the question mark icon in the upper right corner of the screen and selecting Help. The guide will launch in a separate window from which you may browse or search topics. Additional resources may also be found at honeywelldiscovertraining.com. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.